Hi folks, Doc Martin here. I wasn't sure I could say everything in lecture live that I wanted to say, so I thought I'd make this recording. The first thing that I have to tell you is how grateful I am for each and every one of you during this very challenging semester. It's a strange feeling to be where I am right now. Remember, since I was laid off from a biotech company in 1992 or so, I didn't know quite what to do. And then a friend of mine suggested that I try to enter teaching, especially at small liberal arts colleges with undergraduates. And I was very fortunate to forge a career doing it. And it's been wonderful for me. And I think the thing that makes it wonderful for me is working with the students. I enjoy working with them, talking with them. Good times, bad, indifferent times. It's so energizing to me intellectually and actually makes me feel really good, to be honest with you. And I will miss that. I have been teaching Biology 111A here at the University of Puget Sound since 2005. And this is going to be the last time I teach this course as I begin phased retirement over the next 2 years. So that's a very strange feeling, as I mentioned, and I'm not sure quite how to process it. I certainly will miss working with students like yourselves who are new to some of the ideas that I present. But at the same time, I have to emphasize how much your hard work, your positivity, your humor energize my life. And I will miss it, to repeat myself. You know, it's funny. A friend suggested that I start teaching, and it was exactly where I needed to be. There have been many ups and downs, but I am so grateful having worked with the students I have, both here at the University of Puget Sound, but also when I taught at Occidental College in Los Angeles. I taught a course like this one, Biology 130 there. And I'm grateful. And I want to wish you all the very, very best of luck. You always have my gratitude, and I hope you'll stay in touch. And for now, I only have one more thing to say. Microbe dropped.